So today I'm reviewing the Medisana BU 516 blood pressure monitor. This is a blood pressure monitor that I've been using for about 6 weeks thereabout, and it's actually on the budget end of the price scale. It costs about £27 UK, which is about $35 US. It's made by a company based in Germany called Medisana, and they have all types of models, and this particular model is a model that does not have any connectivity with an app, but it functions very well, and I'm quite impressed with the quality of the blood pressure monitor itself. It seems to work well, and it's something that we can now look into the features. So stay with me. So as you can see here, the monitor uses 4 AA batteries, and they're quite easy to insert. You have a memory button, and that memory button enables 2 people to use this blood pressure monitor, and each person can store up to 90 individual readings. So you can switch from person 1, person 2 by just pressing the set button and then using the memory button to switch from person 1 to person 2. Also, when it takes a blood pressure reading, you can see the person who is taking the blood pressure reading. You can see the month and the day that the blood pressure reading was taken, and then you can see the time that the blood pressure reading was taken. Also, you can see the WHO indicator here. It tells you the level of your blood pressure at any point in time. You have the systolic over the diastolic reading, and then you have the memory location of this particular reading, and then the pulse. Also not showing up on this is the irregular heartbeat indicator. Obviously I don't have that, so it wouldn't show up. So this blood pressure monitor also allows you to connect a DC adapter. So if you have a DC adapter that would work with it, or you purchase one, then it means that you would have no need to replace the batteries from time to time. So this is a great blood pressure monitor. I took some readings using this blood pressure monitor, and I compared it to 3 other blood pressure monitors that I have, and if you look here you can see the readings, and you would agree with me that they're fairly comparable to those blood pressure monitors. It was compared to the Omron X4 and to the Braun ExactFit 5 Connect, and also the BP Doctor smartwatch. The cuff size itself goes from 22 to 36 centimeter, which makes it a lot smaller compared to the Omron X3, X4 and the Braun ExactFit 5. So that is a disadvantage when it compares to other blood pressure monitors. Also, being on the lower end of the cost scale of blood pressure monitors, you cannot connect to an app or transfer your data to an app using this blood pressure monitor. You would have to record the data manually, either on an app that is suited for that purpose or in a notebook, so that you can share that information with your doctor. Also, when the battery in the blood pressure monitor is running out, it would show a battery indicator to tell you that the battery is due for a change soon. So click on this screen to see a playlist of other blood pressure monitors that have been reviewed on this channel. Also, if you want to be notified of future video reviews of blood pressure monitors and other equipment that helps us to manage our blood pressure, why not subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever this. And finally, I would appreciate if you smash the like button. So I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care. Bye.